I believe that the supercharger network is kind of Tesla's ace in the hole or ace in the PowerPoint. Elon made a wise investment in it, and now that other competitor companies are switching to the plug type that he has in the supercharger network, he's starting to open it up to other businesses and other cars. If he becomes the dominant player in the infrastructure and power supply field again, he could end up with quite the subscription model. It's still the second or third inning of a story unfolding. I'm not saying that this is going to be rose and champagne, but we've seen it before. So they managed to get through it. You're going to be talking about coming that one point going to be doing 34 million vehicles annually, renowned analyst Dan Ives has boldly declared regarding the estimated future value of Tesla. Come along as we examine his audacious prediction and the elements that could propel Tesla's possible meteoric ascent in the upcoming years. Although Tesla's price has recently been declining, it still has substantial influence over some market sectors. Welcome to Tesla Insights. Let's start by showing our support for our channel by liking this video and subscribing to Tesla Insights. While acknowledging Tesla's current dominance, experts highlight ongoing challenges like slowing deliveries and regulatory hurdles impacting the broader EV landscape. Looking ahead, despite concerns, there's optimism for Tesla's future. Justified are there further dips ahead, despite the risk analysts maintain an equal weight recommendation for the stock. Stay tuned to learn more about what this could mean for investors in the larger electric vehicle landscape. Dan and other analysts predict that the company will continue to grow and eventually produce millions of cars yearly, but issues like range anxiety and the availability of EV charging infrastructure will continue to have an impact on consumer acceptance rates. It's interesting to note that Tesla's success has been attributed to more than just undercutting rivals on price. In addition, the company has been able to draw in customers from traditional auto brands, expanding the market in unexpected ways. This suggests that, in addition to affordability, other important factors that influence EV adoption include product availability and brand appeal. Let's change gears and discuss the larger EV market. Analysts have reduced sales predictions due to an earlier than anticipated launch and updated manufacturer plans, but EVs are still gaining ground. Sales are projected to grow steadily over the coming years, driven by new product launches in this landscape. Tesla remains the dominant force, expected to maintain nearly 50% market share this year, yet competitors like General Motors are making strides with innovations like the OLEM platform poised to capture a double-digit market share. But what's hindering wider EV adoption? Pricing certainly plays a role, but it's not the sole barrier. Infrastructure and consumer habits also need addressing. However, with continued innovation and market expansion, the future looks promising for electric vehicles. Another investor said that they did make some adjustments to our projections. Yes, I mean, overall, EV are still a small part of the market, but close to 10%. We think this year, we do believe, of course, Tesla will remain by far the market leader. Our forecast for market share this year is just under 50%. We think a new product include the refresh on the Model 3 is going to be key for them this year. Of course, Cybertruck ramping as well. One of the really impressive things that Tesla's accomplished amongst many in the last few years is, when you look at some of the third-party data around conquest, who are they actually taking share from? There's a fair amount more than I think people might commonly believe of that conquest coming from mass market brands, as you actually see. And that's what the appeal of EVs, right? Successful EVs have done some pretty incredible things in terms of market expansion and conquesting from segments that are even lower price. But broadly, to our point, yes, price has to come down over time to increase adoption that we think 9.5% this year can still be done with a slight price premium over the market as a whole. Despite these obstacles, they predict steady growth in EV sales this year, with penetration reaching about 9.5% and rising to 15% by 2025. However, we had to slightly reduce our numbers due to slower starts and revised automaker plans. Who do you see emerging as the major players in the EV market this year? Dan clarifies that Tesla is still the leader and is anticipated to hold on to almost half of the market. What do you think is the biggest obstacle to the adoption of electric vehicles? While pricing is a factor, it's not the only issue. Infrastructure and consumer habits also need to be addressed. General Motors is also making significant strides with their OLEM platform, positioning it to capture a substantial market share. However, to further drive adoption, the market needs more diverse product offerings and improved infrastructure. I mentioned that even with more competition, investors are still interested in Tesla. You know who else is as optimistic about Tesla as we are? Our pals at when it comes to Tesla's remarkable rise. Seeking alpha is more than just watching from the sidelines. For fans of the company, and those with a sharp eye for the next hidden treasure in the stock market. Your one-stop destination for the most recent information on Tesla is Seeking Alpha. Targets for Tesla stock price innovation from Tesla and all things Elon Musk. The greatest online source for news on Tesla is Seeking Alpha. Get to the facts without listening to the lamestream media's anti-Tesla propaganda. Visit the link in the description to receive a unique discount. Tesla's vision and innovation have had an indisputable impact on the automobile and energy industries. Novel Goods today will look at how Tesla is stepping up its revenue game and how you, as a Tesla investor, can profit from it. Additionally, there's exciting news for Ford EV owners. Elon Musk and Jim Farley announced their collaboration on Twitter a year ago, and today we see the result of that partnership. Ford EV owners can now use Tesla's supercharger network. The adapter, which Tesla painstakingly designed to connect Ford EVs to Tesla chargers seamlessly, simplifies the charging experience. This partnership gives Ford a competitive edge as the first automaker to access Tesla's charging network, which will undoubtedly appeal to customers looking for dependable charging infrastructure. Regardless of the car, Tesla's well-established infrastructure guarantees a consistent charging experience, and the company's high brand awareness and reputation help it maintain its dominance in the EV market. A substantial amount of Tesla's sales come from word-of-mouth recommendations, demonstrating the company's devoted following and community-focused philosophy. A major change in the market has occurred with Tesla's recent decision to allow non-Tesla automakers to use its supercharger network. This move benefits other automakers, but also presents a challenge to charging companies who only use proprietary standards. An important turning point in the development of EV charging in North America has been reached with the incorporation of Tesla's North American charging standard into charging devices. The Tesla Charging Connector, which has over 20 billion EV charging miles and can provide both AC and up to 1 megawatt DC charging in a sleek, compact form, has emerged as the most reliable and widely used charging connector in North America. The Tesla Link surpasses rivals such as the CCS connector in terms of size and power. However, what distinguishes Tesla from other manufacturers is their early recognition of issues and prompt resolution of them, including the potential obstacle provided by inadequate charging infrastructure. Tesla made a significant investment in building a vast network of supercharging stations. This network has been essential in reducing range anxiety and promoting EV adoption. When examining Tesla's success in the market, it is clear that the business is in a prominent position. 7 of the 12 Tesla models available in the U.S. satisfy IRS sourcing rules, making them eligible for tax credits. This demonstrates Tesla's leadership in the U.S. market, as most EVs sold with meet tax credit requirements. Looking apart from Tesla, General Motors is a strong competitor that supports its electric vehicle EV endeavors through strategic partnerships and regional supply chains. However, Tesla has an advantage due to its established partnerships and extensive battery manufacturing knowledge. Influence Tesla's course in the changing EV market. Tesla's electric vehicle adventure. The market is full with potential and problems, from managing pricing strategies and infrastructure to growing its manufacturing capabilities. Investing, we want to know what you think about Tesla's decision to offer its battery charging network to other automakers and how you believe it will affect the company's worth as it continues to change the future of transportation. Please feel free to comment below and remember to like this video if you think it was informative. Thank you for watching, and for more information on Tesla's most recent advancements and market insights, subscribe to Tesla Insights.